Why should I use the App Store Localizer? Updating the Apple App Store and Google Play Store require many manual tasks. The localizer automates these tasks and allows you to concentrate on more important topics. Who uses the App Store Localizer? The App Store Localizer is used all around the world by app developers and publishers. How can the App Store Localizer help you? Use the App Store Localizer to market your apps worldwide on a worldwide audience in all available languages. How to use the App Store Localizer. Add your apps, apply your app descriptions, translate or use the automatic translation feature, check and double check the result, transfer everything to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on a click or on a scheduled basis. Try the App Store Localizer today and boost your apps and find more users all around the world. Go to appstorelocalizer.com.